snowball fight?
The baby. That's your
Yeah, we're
sissy.
having a snowball fight.
You want to go outside?
That's your sissy, Rach.
You go outside, Jason?
You gonna help me feed her and stuff?
What? I said
Is
no.
her hair soft?
I don't got no zipper.
Gotta be easy.
Right there. Mom.
No, it's on the coat. Yes, you do.
Right here.
She's a big baby, huh?
There's two zippers.
Do you remember her name?
Come here.
What's her name? What?
I don't know.
Reagan? Reagan.
Look. You got
She
two
gonna look
zippers.
at you.
That goes in there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.